Hi everyone, my name is Eric Bustamante, and if you're new to this channel, this is a series of videos made for an assignment for my operations management class. This time I will be reviewing discussion posts from week 13, where we examine Dr. Eubank's article on the rise of workplace violence and how post-COVID stress and economic pressure have made this issue more common across industries. The article explains that incidents of aggression, harassment, and even physical violence have increased, especially during periods of financial instability. This trend aligns with broader research showing that workplace violence rises when employees experience burnout, anxiety, and job insecurity. From an operations management perspective, workplace violence is not just an HR problem. It directly affects productivity, staffing stability, safety protocols, and an organizational culture. When employees feel unsafe or unsupported, absenteeism increases, errors become more common, and team cohesion breaks down. These are all core operational metrics that influence how effectively an organization functions. The article also highlights the connection between workplace violence and mental health outcomes such as PTSD, chronic stress, and anxiety. These conditions impact performance and turnover, which means leaders must adopt trauma informed and mindful approaches to management. Traditional leadership styles are no longer enough in a post COVID environment where many employees carry unresolved stress or personal loss. A key takeaway from Eubank's findings is that many organizations still treat workplace violence reactively instead of as a measurable operational risk. Proactive strategies such as early warning systems, mental health focused leadership, and clear safety protocols help create more stable and resilient teams. Overall psychological safety is directly tied to operational performance. As future managers, we need to recognize that supporting mental health, practicing mindfulness, and creating emotionally aware workplaces are essential for reducing risk and improving organizational effectiveness. And if you got to this point, I want to thank you for listening to my presentation. And like always, I'm going to leave you my LinkedIn and WordPress links down below if you want to go ahead and check that blog post that I did. And I'm also going to leave Dr. Eubank's article under the Works Cited section if you want to go check that out too. And thanks again. See you next time.